turned the camera on to film this and I just realized I'm not even wearing earrings today. I have really enjoyed having earrings, but these ones get a little big. Sometimes I have to take them out to sleep. Hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome to today's video. So I wanted to do something a little bit short and sweet, and I'm going to be doing my project pan update. I picked 10 items to use throughout the year to try to focus on using them up. I am working on a journey to making my makeup collection more cruelty-free. So I've picked some, I think most of these are not cruelty-free items from not cruelty-free brands, and I'm trying to use them up and move them out of my stash so that I can make way for more cruelty-free things. I also like to do this in an effort to not waste a bunch of makeup, and I do try to pick products that I really like. I don't try to force myself to use products that I hate. I see sometimes people say, oh, that lipstick, you know, oh, if you don't like it, you should throw it into a project pan. Why would I want to throw it into a project pan if I hate the color? Like, I don't want to wear this every day if I hate it. So today's makeup look is all from my project pan, but in an effort to make some different length videos, I didn't want to make this one super long, so that is going to be my next video that I'm going to post after this one. Alrighty, so it's been a while since I've done an update, so hopefully I have some good progress. I honestly don't even remember where my progress was last time, so it'll be a surprise for both of us when I go to edit this and I screenshot where I was in the beginning and I'm like, oh look, I did make some progress, yay! So let's start off with my new Never Ending, which is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I've used this basically every day. I use it over my nose and right here on my chin. I can't get rid of this stuff. This is gonna be one of those things that literally lasts forever because, I mean, I barely push it all and it's like brand new. I mean, I've had this. I've been using this so much and it just doesn't go away. Like, I swear it's refilling at night. Maybe there are tiny elves that come in my house and refill this because I had the ABH eyebrow pomade. I had the Makeup Forever one. There's always got to be something that's like so super difficult for me to use up, and I guess this is going to be it. All right, next we have the Clinique Chubby Stick. I don't think I made a lot of progress on this, I'll be honest. This is one that I haven't reached for a ton. It's been a little challenging for me, so I'll insert a picture of where I was in the beginning, and this is where I am now. So, I mean, I swipe it on my cheeks, but I don't feel like I'm really like using that much. So I'm going to take this with me. As I mentioned, I am going to my mom's for a month in Utah. So I'm going to take this with me as like basically my only highlighter and just try to just focus on it. Because I have a drawer over here that sometimes I get tempted by. So I'm trying to like focus, focus, focus. All right, next one of the items that I had the most progress on. This is the Maybelline Master Conceal. So this thing I have used a ton. This is in shade Light. I mean, okay. So this is pretty much used up. I mean, really close. Here's where I was last month, or the last time I updated, which would probably been 2 months ago. But I feel like I've made really good progress on this. So I'm really excited. I feel like this is one I'm going to be able to use up by the next time I update, hopefully, and it'll be all gone and done. All right, next is the Benefit Benetint. I feel like I've made some progress on this as well. Here's where I was last check-in, and here is where I am now. So I'm almost to halfway. I've really enjoyed just doing this on my cheeks for a nice summer flush, and I feel like it's really nice when I am going to the pool or something where I'm gonna be outside, but I want a little color on my face. I can dot this on my cheeks and dot it on my lips. Really super easy. I did choose 2 highlighters for some unknown reason, but I feel like I got good progress with this one. This is the Laura Mercier. This is the Highlight 01. This is the infamous Matte Radiance highlighter. And it might not look like much from the front, comparison shot over here, but look from the side. Like, I don't have the dome anymore. I'm gonna get up close with this one. You can see, look at that. Like, woo, girl, I have been using this. I'm so proud of my progress. I don't think I'm anywhere close to hitting pan, but at least I've got some good progress. All right, Hoola bronzer. This one, when I started using it, you could still see the imprint of Hoola on it. It is in a palette. So you can see here, it pretty much looks brand new. Here is where I am now. So the imprint is pretty much gone, and I think there's a little dippage going on, starting to get some use out of that. It's a good bronzer shade for me. This blush really is one of my favorite colors, so I haven't had a problem using this. This is a blush that I've gone to more than anything. But can I say these MAC blushes are like packed to eternity? Like I feel like it would take me 10,000 years to use this up. It takes forever. So here's the comparison of my last update. Here is where I am now. So it might not look like much, but there is a dip there. Like when I run my finger through here, like there is a depression going on. It is happening. So I don't know that I'll be able to hit pan, but I feel like I've made good progress and I'm really proud of myself because I wear this literally every day and I feel like it's lasting forever. So MAC, why you do me? I love this, but so my eyeliner pencil, I feel like I have some progress with this one. And I go into like little, what do you call it? Not schlums, but like I go into little waves of like using pencil and then I'll use gel or I'm testing something out. So I don't use this every day, but I've gotten back into using it more often. I think I'm getting there. I think I'm getting some use out of this. What do you guys think? All right, my L'Oreal Infallible, it's honestly so hard to tell if I'm using it up or not because it just has this little stopper in it and it just presses it all down flat. So here's what it looked like. I don't know if I'm going to be able to tell that much. I'll see when I edit it. Maybe I'll note down here if I can actually tell a difference. Here's what it looks like now. You can tell on the sides where the line is and you can see a little bit of depression where I've been using it. So hopefully there's some progress there. And besides the primer, I think one of the hardest things, well, I'm a highlighter, for me to use up is lipsticks because I have so many choices I like. I just want to use the different things. This is the Wink for Pink from Revlon, and this is where I'm at. So you can tell me if you think there's a difference. I've been able to keep the shape pretty good. It hasn't gone completely round like sometimes. So I mean, I feel like there's some progress on here. It's a really pretty color. Like, I really like this color. I try to remember to reapply it, but sometimes I just get distracted. And sometimes I just reach for liquid lipsticks because it's more humid here. I feel like liquid lipsticks are less drying, that I just throw them on and then it's like I don't think about it the rest of the day. So this, I have to like think about it and then I'm like, oh, I just ate. I need to reapply it. And so it takes a little more time to think about it. But yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got them all the first time. I can't tell you how many videos I filmed with Project Pan over the years and I like forget a product and so I have to like go back in and like film it again and insert it and I'm just like, Amber, whatever. Alright, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this Project Pan. Okay, let me ask you a question. This is an honest question, okay? Every time I upload a Project Pan video, like right away someone dislikes it. And I understand like people get like trolls or whatever, which I really don't feel like I have because not every video I upload gets like disliked right away. But it always seems like Project Pans get disliked. And I want to know, why do you not like Project Pans? Like, I understand that that button is there because people can express how they feel. But like as a creator, I want to let you know that it really doesn't help us at all because I don't understand what it is that you don't like. Like for me, like I have lots of different content on my channel. So if you're not interested in Project Pan, I don't know why you're clicking and watching this video. So if you're clicking and watching this video and you don't like Project Pans, I don't understand why you would click it and then dislike it. Or if you do like Project Pans and you dislike the video, what is it that you don't like? Like, am I not showing enough good shots? Do you feel like I'm not having enough good progress? Because I can see if it's like people that aren't subscribed to me or subscribed. And when I get people that aren't subscribed to me that dislike my videos, it's like, psh, I don't care because they're not part of my family. But when it's like my people, like you guys who are subscribed to me and you dislike my videos, I'm like, oh, they didn't like it. I want to know why. So, as nicely as you can, instead of disliking this video or another video, why don't you just tell me what it is you guys would rather see? I've had some people give me really nice feedback about stuff and I've tried to fix things. Like when my sound was really loud and clangy, I tried to fix that. So I do take your feedback into consideration. So if you just don't like Project Pans, is it just the Project Pan itself or is it just because of how I'm doing it? And I know some of my like declutter videos got a lot of dislikes because the camera was all wonky and I totally understand that, but I was just thought I would just throw that in here at the end. Give me your feedback, let me know. I know it's not for everyone, but even if it's not for you when you're watching this, a big hug for me because I appreciate you. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!